In this video, we are going to see how you can install and download Git on Windows 11. Now just open any favorite browser of yours and go to Google. Let me just quickly open it. And after that, just simply write here Git. Now just click on this page right here or this website right here, which says git.scm.com. Now on the right hand side, you can see the latest release. You will always find the latest release here. And right now it is 2.47.1. So let's click on download for Windows. And if you want to download it for Mac, you can just go back and find it here. So right now I want to download it for Windows. Let's continue here. Now what you can do is click here to download the latest version, but that will be downloaded in 64-bit because this is what the most people use. But if you have some different bit version, you can download the individual setup from here as well. So let's click on here, click here to download, and it will start the download immediately. It will be saved in your downloads folder. So once it is complete, let me show you that folder. So as you can see here, we have downloaded it successfully and we have the folder. Let's go in here. Now just double click to install. It will ask you this prompt, click yes. And this is the simple installation. I'll click next. Now you can use your custom destination, but I recommend it to be kept in program files only. Let's click on next. Now here you will find different settings. So if you are sure about what settings do you want, you can make that adjustment, but otherwise I'll recommend you to keep it as it is. Click next. Now it will create a Git folder. Click next. And here you will see this options right here, but let's use this top one, which says use Vim. By default, it will be automatically set to it, and click next. Now I'll keep this one to default settings. Click next, and I'll keep this to the recommended one as well, which says get from the command line and also from third-party software. So click next. Now it will ask you a couple of more questions. So I'll simply keep it all settings as default. So it's pretty simple and straightforward installation. Click next. This one, click next. This one, click next. This one, click next. So we will continue with the next and next without changing anything here. Click next. That's because if you don't know and you are using it for the first time, you are not sure about what settings do you make. So I recommend you to keep the default, not just for this one, but for all the softwares. It's the best settings possible configured by default. So enable the file systems caching. We haven't changed anything. And now finally we got this option of install. So let's click on install here. So it will take some time to install. So I'll just fast forward the process here, guys. So now as you can see, it has completed it successfully and it is showing this end wizard and it has shown that setup has finished installing. Now we don't want to view the release notes. I mean, if you want to see, you can keep it checked, but we just want to launch the Git bash. So select that, click on finish, and that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can install that. And let me just zoom it. It will be shown just like that. So I hope you found this video helpful. Just comment down below if you found this video helpful, and also like and subscribe to our channel for all the future videos. Take care.